What is up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be discussing my top 5 reasons why you should start an affiliate marketing business in 2021. If you're new to the channel, my name's Tyler Wise, and I like to show people different avenues to make money online. Without further ado, let's jump into this video. I don't want to waste any of your time. Let's go. Number 1. It's one of the cheapest ways to get into the online business realm as of right now. If you're new to the channel, you don't know much about what I do, but most of my income comes from affiliate marketing. See, I found this program about, 10 months ago, and I had no clue what I was doing with affiliate marketing at all. But within 3 months of me starting my business, my affiliate marketing business, I was able to make $10,000. And you see a lot of people online and they're like, well, you could start making $10,000, in a month or in 2 weeks with my program. And I didn't fall for any of those scams. I was trying to find, a new way to start making money online. I had did drop shipping 9 different times and I had failed with those. All of them. I tried SMMA, I tried drop shipping, I tried Amazon, I had no success with any of those. Then I found this program, and I've had success ever since then. Affiliate marketing was something I heard about for years, and I was able to make $10,000. I was able to leave my 9-to-5 job because of affiliate marketing. And like I said earlier, it's one of the cheapest ways to start an online business nowadays. With other businesses, you have to run Facebook ads constantly to get some kind of potential lead or potential sale. But with affiliate marketing, all you need to do is be able to create viral content and content that will make people click on your link, and that converts over to a sale. So when I started out, and even now, my expenses are so low. I spend maybe about $100 a month to run my business. And I could have months where I make about $30,000 in that month. So I make $29,900 that month. That's insane, okay? So yeah, that's why I recommend it. It's so cheap. It's so cheap to get into affiliate marketing. Reason number 2 to get into affiliate marketing is it is one of the fastest businesses to start up. If you know what you're doing, you can probably start up your affiliate marketing business within 1 hour of you picking a program to affiliate for. 1 hour. That's insane. And then you can have days or months where you make, $20,000 in that month. As long as you know what you're doing, which is why I recommend the right training programs, just like I took, you can make a ridiculous amount of money, and it doesn't require a lot of setup time. So I love affiliate marketing. And reason number 3, it's one of the safest businesses you can start. So like I said earlier with, how cheap it is, you don't have to put a lot of money into this to make a lot of money in the long run. So you're not really losing a lot of money, opposed to drop shipping where, when I was doing my drop shipping stores and trying to, run my Facebook ads, I would be spending about $500 a month just to run my Facebook ads. And I would only make about maybe $2,000 in profit for that month. So, you're not gonna be losing your money. There's not a lot of risk involved with affiliate marketing. And that's another reason I love it. Reason number 4 why I think you should start affiliate marketing is because it is extremely flexible. See, one of the major reasons I wanted to leave my 9-to-5 job was that I didn't have any time. I would get home after my 9-to-5 job and it would be 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and I would have to eat dinner, and then, what if I want to go to the gym? And then, then it's 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. What if I want to spend time with friends and family? Well, that's not going to happen because you're tired and you're about to go to bed within an hour or 2. So, with affiliate marketing, you only have to spend maybe 1 to 2 hours per day promoting your products. And that leaves a lot more time for friends and family to do activities. If you like to hike, if you want to, get up another hobby, maybe you have another hobby that you want to start up as a business, it allows you so much more flexibility than a 9-to-5 job, and that's why it's amazing. And reason number 5, it is extremely profitable. Like I said earlier in one of my other reasons, I've had months where I made $25,000, $28,000. And that's just in the last, year, which is insane. I can't even imagine me starting a blog or something else, like another income stream. I can't even imagine how much I'll make then. But it's not, it's not crazy to hear people making about $100,000 in a month just from affiliate marketing. And it's crazy. So, and I'm just getting started. And that's something that should be encouraging to all of you as well, is I'm just getting started. started with my affiliate marketing business. And I've already made almost about $100,000 this year already. And it's insane. I was working at my 9-to-5 job. I was making only maybe about a third of what I've been making from affiliate marketing. And I only spend about 1 to 2 hours per day. So if you're on the edge about starting affiliate marketing, hopefully this video was able to push you over that edge and you can get started doing this. But anyways, if you like today's video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to join the program that I used to start affiliate marketing, check my description down below. It's the first link. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's more of an input about how I make my money. But yes, I definitely recommend affiliate marketing, especially if you have a family. Maybe you have a newborn, maybe you have kids that you're not getting to spend a lot of time with, or maybe there's a love interest that you're not getting any time to spend with them because you're working 60 hours a week. You should try affiliate marketing, because I assure you all that time that you're devoting in your 60-hour work week could be devoted to spending time with your friends and family, and you could make even more than you're making at your 9-to-5. Hope you liked this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.